We know that our reefs are under lots of stresses and lots of pressures, and to be able to protect our reefs, we need to be able to measure them and monitor them. It's like taking the temperature of a patient. It's one of the critical ways that you know what's happening and whether it's healthy or whether it's not. By measuring and monitoring the health of the water and what the water's doing, we can see what stresses the corals are under. That allows us to know what's happening on the reef in real time, and then maybe we can understand these systems better, and maybe we can manage them better and hopefully preserve them for the future.
Students and researchers alike, they'll need these platforms to plug instrumentation on so that they can run their specific experiments. Now, they can't retrieve this data without these platforms being in place, and without the next-G technology, it just wouldn't be possible and it wouldn't be a viable operation.
The main advantage of the next-G network in correlation with the pontoons is it allows a permanent data flow between the pontoons deployed on the reef and AIM's head office, where the scientists are working and where the server farm is to collate the data.
These technologies allow us to do lots of new things. So things like video and images will allow us to understand things that we never really saw before. A lot of things that happen on reefs we don't actually get to see. So being able to have systems that are automatically monitoring them is a really unique experience. Fundamental to new discoveries and to understanding our reefs and hopefully preserving them. We want to provide two things. The first is to set up islands like Heron Island as living laboratories with these high-speed communications that allow them to do new sorts of projects. The second thing is the data that comes from the project is going to go into a number of worldwide projects looking at climate change and coral reef resilience. These are important data sets for us to understand what's happening with our coral reefs and what's going to happen into the future.